Hello everybody, welcome back for more Pikmin. We've been to the beach, we've been to the wild, we're going to the flooded fields. I know we could finish off the wild, but maybe I want to do Grub Dog Domain. Maybe I want to explore the flooded fields. There's a whole bunch of areas we couldn't get to last time we were here, and it's been forever. And we didn't have blues. I think I'm going to do like 40 blues, a single white, maybe like 5 whites. Like 20 yellows, and then the rest red. Because that's just how you do it. Shoot. Okay, we got the squad. Unfortunately, all the enemies have also respawned. I'm just going to do one of these. Okay, he's not back though. The Diggy boy. Oh, the Mamuta's going to be a pain though. Don't stomp him. Please don't bury my boys. Oh my god, they're stun locking me. No, don't do that. I was trying to throw, not call. I mean, throw, not... call, not pick. Ah! Okay. Get him, boys. Get him, boys. Just on top. On top of him. Doesn't matter if he keeps knocking you off. We got a good stream. Excellent. Everybody out. God, see, imagine doing that. No, my boys. My boys. Oh my fucking god. Wait, where are the rest of them? Of course. How did you guys even get stuck there? What are you doing? You know, it's fine, it's fine. We're going to ignore Mr. Frog. We're going to ignore the grass. We're going to kill this idiot. Not quite fast enough, though, unfortunately. It's fine. You know what? Sometimes life happens, you know? And you just got to deal. Which is probably going to be an ongoing theme here, unfortunately. There's another one of you fuckers? No, I can't be near him. If I'm near him, he'll just stomp me into the dirt. Come on, take him out. Take him out. They're breaking my bridge, the bastards. Okay, blues. Clues. Oh my god, no. Blues, clues, get over here. Okay, the bridge is going to get broken, unfortunately. That's just what's going to happen here. Ah! Oh yeah, you guys can just drown real quick for me, if you don't mind. Yeah, that'll help. Make it way easier. Okay, now we kill the frog. Call the boys. That ended horribly. Remember, throw like 5 and then wait. Oh my god, don't call them off though. Oh, no, that one's dead, but it's fine. Patience is a virtue. There we go. Okay, he's done. We'll rebuild this bridge. Next bridge is poison, because of course it is. You guys can get here. Can I, like, yeet you guys over yet? Because I'd really like to get you guys started now. I definitely don't think so. I think this is going to be a effort in waiting for a few minutes. But instead of that, how about we wait for slightly less time? There we go. Now we're talking. Now, the next problem is, of course, the fact that we need to push that bridge out slightly so we can kill the poison things underneath it. We've also lost quite a few Pikmin. Which is not great. Like, I'll be the first one to admit it. Really? There's another one after that? Couldn't have just given it to me there? Thank you. I guess I'm gonna need to use the blues to kill that guy while these guys work on the thing here. Do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-ish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-ish. Definitely more than 5, but you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-ish. Everyone off. Not a big fan of the fact that they all rain back in, but you know, sometimes it happens. Okay. No, everybody off. Oh god, one of them was definitely underneath him there. He shouldn't be able to stomp them when they're dead. Should be illegal. Okay, well, let's get some of this crap back. Hopefully they will be able to get it safely back. You know, fingers crossed. But we will find out one way or another. I mean, I guess we may as well keep taking stuff back, right? Oh, never mind. Wow, that was a quick one, huh? Okay. I guess just chill here for 2 seconds. You guys can break the poison things. And there's a snagret over here. I can feel it in my goddamn bones. Don't even try to tell me that there's not going to be a snagret there. Because there was a snagret here originally. And it scared the shit out of me. And there's no way they just decided to not... Yep. It's a white snagret. Ooh. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. No. Can I just ignore it? Probably not a good idea. Get him. Get him. Get him. Yeah. Oh. Wait, how do I even get to the dungeon? Oh my god, there's 2 of them up here. And Chewigs. You leave them alone. You jerk. The sad thing is, I'm probably gonna sack a few Pikmin to get that. Oh, there's a puffy blowhog as well. Ooh, this is kind of a lot here. Okay, you boys go get them. A couple of these boys are getting very eaten. A couple of them actually got on him somehow. Okay, boys, get out of here. Excuse me, no. Don't know what happened there. Take back a Mamuda. Cool, I can go to the reds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can go to wherever you go, which is going to be blues. And we've got enough left to take the other Mamuda as well. And see you boys later. You can't carry that one. Okay, you can get on that one. Good stuff. Pikmin are all carrying something back. We'll go back to base. I guess I can help them carry that back as well. We should have gotten plenty of blues. Seeing as that's what the only thing that was like able to carry most of it. Oh, but I guess seeing as they walked through the crap, they probably picked up a couple of extra things. Thank you. Okay, yeah, we seem to be good. I'm going to deposit everything but blues and take the blues across the water to try to fix that up. So these reds can go. So? These reds can go. Hold on, before that happens, pull out blues so I don't get seeds. Never mind, we got seeds anyway. I was not quite fast enough. You guys go away because you're precious to me. Oh, don't you do it. I saw you back there, Mamuda. Okay. Ah, crap. That's fine, whatever. We'll do yellows first. Goodbye, yellows. Wow, did we lose a lot of yellows again? Or are they all just carrying the thing back? Goodbye, reds. Hello, blues. Gotta need to wait a hot second. Hello, blues. Is 60 enough to go do a little bit of exploratoring? Yeah, it probably is. You guys can all work on that. They do be coming. Ah, crap. As soon as I call them, they're all gonna go straight into that goop. Heck, maybe even before that. Come on, buddy. Deliver that floppy disk. Yep. What is it? It's made in Japan. Compressed storage unit. Yeah, that makes sense. But what is it? I don't know. Is that like a Castlevania game or something? Is Castlevania released on PC? Doodle-doo, doodle-doo-doo. There was just like a temple in the background. I was like, that's maybe Castlevania. Oh, we're not going to have enough time to do anything else today, actually. I mean, we did some good exploring. Does that count? 3 more. Squad. Yeah, okay, we totally fucked this up. We can still, like, go for a little wander. Not really, let's just end the damn day. Sorry, guys, this is gonna be a short one. But I don't really want to wander out with the squad today. So I guess that means we'll be doing a second episode where we stay in this exact same area to probably unlock the dungeon. Because we got to build a lot of bridges and then get over it to actually get to the dungeons. Do, 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 do. Ah, my lovely little ships. My lovely little onions. Onion. Today's lovely little report. 500. And numbers up. Except for yellows. Poor yellows, man. Always getting shafted. Last night I slept in the dumpster behind my office. You would think I would stay out of there. But it's the contrary. My office is the last place they would look for me. Oh, clever. I mean, it's mostly true. Maybe. Anyway, for now, I would like to thank you all for watching. I will see you all next time. Bye-bye. Oh, wait, does this tell me what it is? Let's go beach. It appears to be quite similar to the Awakening Woods we saw last time, but with far more water than before. This appears to have some digital data on it. Then again, the Pikmin carrying it dragged it through the water on their way, so I doubt it's functional now. But they didn't, though. We carried it across land. You lied to me, game. You lied to me. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.